how to make a YouTube subscribe link. Now, it's very easy to do. First, let's open up YouTube and select our profile image. Then come to view your channel. And this is our channel name here. All we need to do is highlight it like that and then press it. And we need to write. So at the end of the link, all we need to type is question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. So you could then copy this and put it in a notepad or however you want to put it. If you press enter, that'll take you to the subscription button like that, and someone will be able to subscribe. So that's how to easily make a YouTube subscribe link. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.